and welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today we are going to educate ourselves on polycystic ovary syndrome, or what is commonly known as PCOS. We are going to be exploring some signs and symptoms of PCOS that every woman needs to know of. PCOS affects 1 in 10 women of reproductive age, that is between 14 to 49 years. But the truth is, most of us don't know the signs and symptoms of PCOS, apart from the fact that it can cause irregular menstrual periods. As a woman, knowing the signs and symptoms of a condition that affects a high number of women is very crucial for early detection, diagnosis, and treatment, especially if there are complications associated with the condition. Today, I want us to explore 5 alarming signs and symptoms of PCOS that every woman needs to know of. So let's dive right in. The exact cause of PCOS is not known, but scientists believe that there could be a few reasons why a woman would develop PCOS. The first one is genetics. That is, if you have a family history of PCOS, there is a high chance that you can develop this condition. Another reason is insulin resistance. That is when your body cannot regulate the hormone insulin. Let me explain this further. The pancreas releases the hormone insulin to convert carbohydrates into energy. When you have insulin resistance, the body does not respond to insulin, and this can in turn cause the pancreas to release more insulin, because the presence of carbohydrates in the body tells the pancreas that you need insulin. Insulin resistance can cause a buildup of insulin in the blood. The presence of a high level of insulin in your body can cause the body to make a lot or too much of the male hormone known as androgen. And the presence of high levels of androgen can mean that your ovaries stop releasing eggs regularly or would stop releasing eggs completely. One other cause of PCOS is being overweight. Being overweight or obese can lead to insulin resistance, which can in turn increase the amount of insulin in the body. Now let's dive into our main topic of the day: 5 alarming signs and symptoms of PCOS that every woman needs to know of. So the first one is irregular periods, or periods that are not predictable. Now, a normal woman would have a period at least once a month. That is normally between 21 to 35 days. Sometimes certain changes in a woman's life can affect the regularity of her periods. For example, when a woman is going through stress, when there is a relocation, when there is a drastic change in weight, that is a drastic weight loss, a woman can go for some time without a period, but the periods would come back once everything normalizes. In PCOS, women can go a long period without any menstrual periods. And when a period occurs, it can be associated with heavy bleeding and severe pain. The second symptom of PCOS that every woman needs to know of is excessive hair growth, hair thinning, and hair loss. High amounts of androgen, that is the male hormone that I talked about earlier on, can cause excessive hair growth in areas of the body such as on the chin, the top of the lips, around the abdomen, and around the breast. Because androgens regulate hair growth, you might also notice some hair loss as well as hair thinning. And this can be an upsetting sign of PCOS. On the scalp, androgens can inhibit hair growth, and this can lead to premature baldness. One other symptom is the development of patches of dark, thick skin around your armpit and around the groin area, as well as around the back of your neck. There can also be the development of oily skin, and this would occur as a result of the presence of androgens. Androgens can make your skin oily and cause the development of spots or pimples on your face, your back, and on your chest. This kind of pimples can be very difficult to treat. And finally, PCOS can cause anxiety and depression. Scientists suspect a link between PCOS and mental health. And there is some evidence of association between having PCOS and also having anxiety or depression. Now that we all know the signs and symptoms of PCOS, it is advisable that if you are experiencing any of them, you report as soon as possible to your healthcare provider, because early detection means early diagnosis and early treatment. I hope this short video is beneficial. Please don't go without giving it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends so we can all update our knowledge on PCOS. Leave your comments and your questions in the comments section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.